Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss insertion operations of single linked list. We are going to learn three different types of insertion operation. Insert note at the beginning of the list, insert note at the end of the list, and insert note at any position or specified position of the list. In my previous video I have discussed basic portion of single linked list, concept of stack and heap memory, and how nodes are created and how the list is created. If any confusion on these topics, please watch that video. Now I will discuss how to insert node at the beginning of the list with the help of C program. Let's see the code. See insert beginning function, void is a return type and insert underscore beginning is a name of user defined function. Within this function, I declare a pointer variable temp which points to structure. In the next statement, temp equal to stock node star malloc size of stock node. The address is allocated dynamically for variable temp in heap memory. The significance of this statement I already discussed in my last video. Okay, let's take an example. Here is a linked list like this which present in heap memory, and start is a pointer variable which points to address of the first node in the list. Suppose the address of first node is 1000, address of second node is 2000, and address of third node is suppose 3000. Clear? Now start contain the address of first node which is 1000. Clear? Now the new address is allocated dynamically for variable temp, suppose which is 4000. Now value of temp is 4000 and temp points here. Clear? So next statement, check whether temp is null or not, but value of temp is 4000. Condition is not satisfied. Clear? So now go to next statement and we are inserting value into data section of node temp in this way, temp arrow data. Suppose data is 40. Clear? And temp arrow link equal to null and the value of link part is null. Clear? Now check whether the value of start is null or not. Clear? But value of start is 1000. The condition is not satisfied because start already points to the first node in the list. Clear? So start is 1000. Condition is not satisfied. Go to else part and temp arrow link equal to start. That means value of start is assigned into temp arrow link. So value of start is 1000 and temp points this node. That means temp arrow link means this portion. So value of start 1000 is assigned here. Now it points here. Clear? Now it becomes the first node in the list. Okay. Now start equal to temp. That means the value of temp is assigned into start. The value of temp is assigned into start. That means value of temp is 4000. Now update the value of start and it points here. Okay, so what is the importance of this statement start equal to temp? Because start always points to the first node of the list. Now this is the first node in the list, so that's why we write start equal to temp. Clear? Now I will discuss how to insert node at the end of the list. Let's see the code. See insert end function, void is a return type and insert underscore end is a name of user defined function. Within function declare two pointer variable temp and ptr, okay, which points to structure. They reside in stack memory because they have been declared as a local variable. Now again address is allocated for temp in heap memory. Okay, but it is different address. Suppose it is 5000. Clear? So value of temp is 5000. Now temp points to this node and start points to the first node of the list. Okay, now check the condition whether temp is null or not. So value of temp is 5000. Okay, so this condition is not satisfied. Go to this statement and we are inserting the value into the data section of temp node in this way, temp arrow data. Okay, suppose data is 50. Now insert temp arrow link equal to null. Now it is null. Okay, but how can insert node to the end of the linked list? For that we have to go to end of the list. Okay, now check value of start is null or not. Value of start is 4000 because it point to the first node of the list. Okay, so condition is not satisfied. Go to else part and ptr equal to start. Ptr equal to start means value of start is assigned into value of ptr. Okay, so now value of start is 4000 and now value of ptr is 4000 and ptr points here. Okay, now check in while statement, ptr arrow link not equal to null. Ptr arrow link not equal to null. Ptr is 4000, that means ptr points here and ptr arrow link is 1000. So condition is satisfied. Okay, condition is satisfied. Now go to inside while ptr equal to ptr arrow link, that means value of ptr arrow link is assigned into ptr. So ptr equal to 4000, that means ptr points here and ptr arrow link is 1000. Now 1000 is assigned into ptr, that means update the value of ptr. Now ptr is 1000, so ptr points here. Now again go to while and check ptr arrow link not equal to null. Check ptr is 1000 and ptr arrow link is 2000. Condition is satisfied. Okay, so again ptr equal to ptr arrow link, that means ptr arrow link is assigned into ptr. Value of ptr arrow link is value of ptr arrow link 2000. Okay, so 2000 is assigned into ptr. Now again update the value 2000. Now again ptr points here. Okay, again go to while statement and check ptr arrow link not equal to null. Ptr is 2000, so ptr arrow link is 3000 because ptr is 2000, ptr points here and ptr arrow link is 3000. So condition is satisfied. Again go to inside while and ptr equal to ptr arrow link, so ptr arrow link is 3000 and now ptr equal to 3000, that means ptr equal to 3000 because ptr arrow link is 3000 and value of ptr arrow link is assigned into ptr. Now update the value of ptr. Now ptr equal to 3000 and ptr points here. Clear? Now again go to while and check ptr arrow link not equal to null. Now value of ptr equal to 3000 and ptr arrow link is null. Okay, so condition is not satisfied. Condition is not satisfied. Go to this statement, ptr arrow link equal to temp. So value of temp is assigned into ptr arrow link. So value of temp is 5000. So 5000 is assigned into ptr arrow link. Ptr equal to 3000 and ptr arrow link equal to null. So temp means value of temp. Value of temp is assigned here. Now it points this node. Okay, now it is the last node in the list. Clear? Now I will discuss how to insert a node at any position of the list. Let's see the code. Say insert underscore any underscore position is the name of the function, void is the return type, and within this function declare two pointer variable, temp and ptr, which points to structure, and I and pos are integer variable. Clear? Now again address is allocated for variable temp in heap memory. but it is defined address. Suppose it is 6000. So temp is 6000, temp points here, and start points to the first node of the list. Suppose the position of first node is 0, position of second node is 1, position of third node is 2, position of fourth node is 3, and position of fifth node is 4. Clear? Now check whether value of temp is null or not. The value of temp is 6000, so this condition is not satisfied. Go to here, printf, enter the position value. Enter the position value for new node to insert into list. Okay, the value of position read into POS variable. Okay, suppose we take POS equal to 2. Clear? That means we want to insert the node at position 2 in the list. Okay, at position 2 in the list. Now printf, enter the data value of the node. We are inserting the data value into the data section of the temp node. Okay, suppose value is 60. Now temp arrow link equal to null, so it is null. Now check POS equal to 0 or not, but we assume that POS equal to 2. The condition is not satisfied. Okay, if POS equal to 0, then it would be insert at the beginning of the list. Okay, then node would be insert at the beginning of the list, which is same as insert beginning function, which I already discussed. Clear? Now go to else part, because condition is not satisfied. PTR equal to start, value of start is assigned into PTR. Clear? Value of start is assigned into PTR. Now PTR is 4000, it points here. Now go to for loop and set I equal to 0, I equal to 0, I less than POS minus 1, and I plus plus. Now check the condition, I 0, POS 2, 2 minus 1, so 0 less than 1, condition is satisfied. So go to inside the for loop, PTR equal to PTR arrow link. So value of PTR arrow link is assigned into PTR. PTR is 4000, point to this node, and PTR arrow link is 1000, so it is assigned into PTR. So now update the value 1000, because PTR arrow link is 1000, it is assigned into PTR. Now PTR points here. Clear? Now check if PTR equal null. So condition is not satisfied because PTR is not null, PTR is 1000. Okay, now again go to for loop statement, and now value of I is 1 because it is already increased, I plus plus. Now check I less than POS minus 1, value of I is 1, POS minus 1, 2 minus 1, 1, condition is not satisfied. Okay, condition is not satisfied. Now go to this statement, temp arrow link equal to PTR arrow link. That means value of PTR arrow link is assigned into temp arrow link. Clear? So PTR is 1000, it points to this node, and PTR arrow link is 2000. So 2000 is assigned into temp arrow link. Temp is 6000, it points this node. So now in temp arrow link, so 2000. Okay, so because PTR arrow link is 2000, which is assigned into temp arrow link, that means it points here. Clear? Because the address of this node is 2000 and temp arrow link is 2000. Clear? Now it points to this node. Now PTR arrow link equal to temp, so that means value of temp is assigned into PTR arrow link. So value of temp is 6000. It is assigned into ptr arrow link. Ptr is 1000. That means ptr points to this node. Now ptr arrow link is 6000. That means it points this node. Clear? In this way, node is inserted at the second position of the list. Clear? Thanks to watching this video. Please subscribe the channel.